In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do time tracking in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping track of your own work hours, Monday.com offers a seamless way to track time effectively. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step to make sure you get the most out of this feature. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com, open your preferred web browser, and type in Monday.com to get started. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll need to do is log in to your account. Look for the login button, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. Now that you've hit the login page, you have several options to access your account. The simplest way, if you're already using Google services, is to click on the Google option. This will prompt you to choose your Google account if you're not already logged into it. Select the account associated with your Monday.com workspace and you'll be swiftly taken to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to keep track of time. Boards in Monday.com are where all the magic happens, so if you don't have one open already, you'll need to locate the appropriate board from your dashboard. With your board open, it's time to add a time tracking column. In the board view, you'll see a plus icon typically located on the right side of the table view where you can add new columns. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. A drop-down or a menu will appear where you can type the name of the column you want to add. In the text box, type in time tracking. This initiates the setup for a new column dedicated to tracking the time spent on each task. After typing time tracking, you will see an option pop up to add it as a column. Simply click on this option and the time tracking column will be added to your board. And that's it. You've successfully added a time tracking column to your board in Monday.com. Now you can easily keep track of the time spent on various tasks directly within your project management tool. This feature is particularly useful for keeping projects on schedule and ensuring transparency with your team or clients. Remember, consistent use of your new time tracking column will help you get more insights into productivity and project timelines. I hope this guide has helped make the process clear and easy to implement. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking!